Alright, so it's after dinner. I'm feeling really bloated. We're about to do some sort of game involving slips. Let's see.
We're gonna do it because you're not open it.
I'm so fat. I feel so sleepy.
She said don't open it on.
I got the itis. I got it bad.
Everybody has a day of Christmas.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 12 drummers drumming.
11 pipers pipers.
10 lords are leaping. 9 ladies dancing.
8 made the milking.
7 swans are swimming.
6 geese are laying.
5 gold rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens. 2 turtle doves.
In a portrait, in a pear tree.
That took 6 minutes.
So I think we should encourage each other, whoever's hosting it at their house, to have one little fun game before we do whatever we do.
Inspiring generations.
Oriented.
This is our generation right here.
This is Tori.
All day.
Watch out, Mom.
Text.
Joyce is going to be on that town with Andre, Tanya, Amy.
This is my
Thomas,
team.
not Joyce.
Team, remember that. Don't get it twisted.
I kind of remember. Mama, can you pay attention?
Okay. Food served at Thanksgiving.
Turkey dressing.
Ham.
Cranberry sauce.
Are you on that?
Yeah, she's on our team.
Macaroni and cheese.
But you gonna say cheese.
Greens. Cabbage.
They said all the ones I had.
Black eyed peas.
Who invented
Sweet potatoes.
Oh,
Mashed potatoes.
look at her. She knows.
Corn on the cob. Corn.
corn on the
Bread.
Are you on our team?
Yeah, she's on our team.
Tea. Can we put drinks? Iced tea.
Served
Oh,
ham.
I said ham.
I got nothing.
Chris, did you get that?
I tried. Y'all took all mine real fast.
Big girl.
We get.
I wonder who done got all of them. I got a suck team.
Yeah, that's us. It's our fault.
This is what you missed. Stuffing, yams,
Who just eats stuffing?
carrots, and gravy.
You just eat stuffing? Wait, who just eats gravy? Just plain gravy? Gravy's not food. Gravy's a dressing. You don't eat gravy.
Scottie Pippen, she said the last decade.
But when was the game made? When was the game made? I'm gonna need you to calm down about
Who
it.
you are? Miss. Magic Johnson.
Carl Malone.
Clyde Drexler.
Who?
Patrick Ewing. Dennis Rodman.
They don't watch sports. Dennis Rodman.
Killers from horror movies.
Freddy Krueger. Man.
That's an easy one.
What's his name?
I'm disappointed in all y'all for not getting this.
Monster Man.
The Monster Man.
Hancock.
Hancock's a superhero.
Oh, that's cold.
Low blow.
External parts of a computer.
Come on, Chris. A monitor. A keypad, mouse.
Major sporting events.
Easy question.
Hockey.
No, first thing he said.
Baseball.
Right. Major sport.
Baseball.
Golf.
What is it? Swimming. What is it? Running.
What's on TV right now?
Major sporting event.
Running.
It was the Tour de France,
Okay.
the Indianapolis 500,
Right.
Wimbledon,
Wimbledon.
Masters.
Still trying to figure out what a Wimbledon is.
Break some.
Uh-oh. I don't like that laugh. Making a pina colada. I mean, he is really. He is really watching that blender.
Eagles.
All right, so we falling behind.
Skunks, swans.
You can tell.
Groups of animals.
Huh?
Groups of animals.
They're all deer. Groups of deer.
Deers.
What are they called? Groups of deer.
This is an easy question. They're making it harder than it is.
Sweeteners.
Sweeteners. Sweet and low.
Sweet and low, Splenda, Nutrilite.
Every time I say it.
Sugar.
Nutri-Sweet.
Syrup.
Syrup is a sweetener?
What's the regular sweetener?
Ketchup.
What's the regular?
Jack Nicholson films. Boo. Yes. Good game. Good game.
That was a good game.